It's Thursday, January 2nd, 2020, and it is now 12 p.m. Arizona time. This is about fixing the lower latch on our Minnie Winnie door. So I'm going to zoom in here. And that latch there does this. And what it does, it keeps the door handle from the outside and the inside. Oops, can't show you that right now. I can show you the inside. From unlocking the door. Let's see what we got here. Okay, back off on this focus. No, zoom. Okay. And that latch that I just moved goes in the bottom. I'm trying to get the shadow off, but there she is. So lock and unlock. Now this handle on the flip side has this bar, and that bar with threads goes up this way, and there's a hole in the door. If I can get to this hole, right there. That a 7/16 nut goes through, and then you adjust the pretension on the door lock. All right, so this has been fixed. I've tightened down this nut. Just zoom in on that nut right there. Originally that wasn't a bolt and nut. Originally that flat washer you can see there in the background of it was, I don't want to say riveted, but pressed onto the pin. And when a machine metal lathe, neighbor Jim in Victorville, drill that pin out and put a brass bolt through. All right, we're going to reassemble this, so that's going to be the end of this video. Oh, and before it is, that top part, that's the dial we've seen in the earlier video. All it does is push that deadbolt across. Right to left to lock it, and left to right to lock it, right to left to unlock it. Okay, that's it for this video.